How to change Hey Siri to Siri. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device, and now scroll down and navigate to the Siri option and tap on it. Further, you will see the option for Talk to Siri. Tap on that and then go ahead and select the first option, that is Siri or Hey Siri. And with this, whenever you say Siri, Siri will be responding to you. So this is how you can change Hey Siri to only Siri. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.